Hey, photography aficionados. Are you ready to dive into the world of snapping those crispy, scrumptious pictures without burning a hole in your wallet? Because I'm about to drop some wisdom that's going to have all the gearheads and pixel peepers out there absolutely seething with envy. Yep, that's right. We are taking the fine art of creating masterpieces with, drumroll please, cheap second-hand gear. Whoa! Hold the phone. Can it be? Absolutely. So you scooped up a dusty old camera, did you? That's seen more action than a 90s movie. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of a vintage beast that'll make those snobs with their bank-breaking gizmos look like they're using disposable cameras. Oops. Did I just say that out loud? This hunk of metal and glass, it's not just a camera, it's a time machine. And guess what? We're strapping on some Frankenstein level adapters to slap the equally cheap vintage lenses from yesteryear onto your modern miracle maker. Yeah, it's the photographic equivalent of putting truck nuts on a Prius. Spoiler alert, it's going to look fabulous. Here we go, twist that adapter on like you're opening a wonky jar of pickles. Here, that satisfying kind of fit, and voila, you've entered the realm of what the heck does this look like? Your pictures are now oozing with more character than quirky indie films at Sundance festivals. Sharpness be damned. We're here for that swirly bokeh, soft edges, flair-tastic goodness. You could say that your pics have a je ne sais quoi, but let's be honest, we don't know exactly what that is. Qu'est-ce que c'est? It's old school cool, baby. That's what it is. And the best part, every time you snap a shot that makes the internet go wild somewhere, a photographer with the latest gear, the greatest monstrously expensive gear they can find, well, they're just pangs of sheer agony from them. But my 8K resolution, they cry, as the internet mob floods your photos with likes, smitten with that vintage charm that just can't be replicated by any fancy algorithm or camera stabilization. Seriously though, remember the days of wine and roses? No, neither do I. But your photos will make people swear that they can smell the sepia tones and touch the grey in the image. That's right, you're not just a photographer, you're a magician pulling rabbits out of hats made from discarded denim and pure unadulterated talent. So go ahead, my economic comrade, flaunt your budget brilliance. Let the haters hate while you bask in the glory of photogenic thrift. Because in the end, it's not about the price tag on your gear. It's about the priceless look on everyone's faces when they realise you just served them a 5-star visual meal on a paper plate. So until our next budget escapade, keep snapping those glorious pixels. And remember, money can buy you a camera, but it can't buy you creativity. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Obviously, it goes without saying, if you've enjoyed this, please leave me a like or leave me a subscribe, or even better still, leave both. Thanks for watching.